Are you one of those people that don't like to go out to a fancy restaurant or make your own food at home? Then we've got the product for you. The Magic Microwave has the ability to produce any food that you want, all with the touch of a button. All you have to do is say the name of the food that you want, press go, and your food comes out. I'd like a hot dog, please. And there it is.
Gee, that hot dog looks delicious. Can I have a bite?
Go for it.
Yum!
You may have seen other similar products out there to the Magic Microwave, but they don't do what they really say they do. Take this one for example. I'd like a burrito, please. What? See? Doesn't get your order right.
Can I have a Dorito?
Yeah.
Ew, that tastes nasty.
The Magic Microwave retails for the price of $4,444,443. But if you call in the next 10 seconds, you can get the Magic Microwave for the low price of 75 cents plus 25 cents shipping and handling for a grand total of $1. But wait, there's more. If you pay an extra $5, I will give you the special edition of the Magic Microwave that allows you to produce drinks. Gatorade, please. And here it is.
Ooh, that's tasty.
If you'd like to purchase the Magic Microwave, then please call 1-800-MAGICAL. That is 1-800-MAGICAL. Thank you for your time, and I hope you have a great day.